Meaning of drawn.
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 Drawn. The word drawn has various meanings, but it generally refers to something that has been pulled, stretched, or extended in some way. For example, if a person is drawn to something, it means they are attracted to it or feel a strong desire for it. In the context of art, drawn typically means creating an image by using lines or shading techniques on paper or other surfaces. Overall, the concept of drawn involves the creation of something through the use of physical force or artistic expression.